Hey, you guys. Guess what I'm making? I make this every night or every day. I'll make immune booster tea, which consists of boiled water, the whole pot, because I make 4 cups of teas. I use a full lemon, organic lemon. I use 3 to 4 drops of lemon essential oil. I'll use ginger. I'll use 2 drops of ginger. And then I'll also use about 2 to 3 drops of wild orange. Then I will use some honey, depending on how sweet you want your tea. I don't really want it too sweet, but just enough to have taste. But additionally, I like to add some raspberry syrup. So I like to add that too because I love raspberries. And I remember when I was young, my grandma would always make me raspberry tea with lemon. So I always love my raspberries. And we know they're full of vitamins and nutrition, awesome stuff, all this good stuff. So this is our immune boosting tea that I like to make. Just a healthy tea. Some lemon tea. A lot of times I didn't have the lemon, so I would just use the lemon essential oil. But I like to use both of them. And so let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is squeeze the lemon. Sorry, I'm using my one hand right now. I don't care if the seeds fall in there. So I'll just squeeze the whole lemon in there. I'm just gonna have to put the camera down so I can squeeze with 2 hands. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. So now you can see I have the lemon in here. It's all good, nice and hot. Now I'm gonna add 4 drops of essential oil lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, when I talk about or when I mention essential oils and taking them internally, I strictly talk about doTERRA essential oils. Please don't use store essential oils if you buy them at a store or Amazon, or unless you're 100% sure where they come from and that they are pure and potent and certified pure therapeutic grade. As for me, these are the only oils that I do trust 100%. doTERRA does everything possible to give us the best, the most potent essential oils so we can get the best possible benefits. Okay, so that's why I totally trust doTERRA, but you can do your own search and use whatever oils you like. But I'm just telling you, you can do more damage than good if you don't search, if you don't do your own research about where you get your oils, then you can actually do more damage than good for your health, especially when you want to share that with your kids too. And I'll add 3 drops of wild orange. So if you ask me what oils I prefer or I would recommend, I would definitely only recommend doTERRA essential oils, and for a good reason. If you like to search, again, doTERRA explains exactly what's behind every single bottle, the science and everything behind it. So, and source to you, so you can check it out. And I'm just gonna add some honey now that the water is still hot. Like I say, you can add as much honey or as little honey as you like, up to your taste. That's good for now. And then I keep trying. Like I said, it's probably not a great idea to make it too hot or too sweet, sorry. I'll add this syrup. Should have opened it. everything open except that. So I'll use some of that. It's so delicious, you guys. And look at the color. So I'll mix some more. So you have lemon, orange. You have ginger in here, which is amazing for your belly. Make your belly feel good. And it's just amazing, yeah. So I will have this tea every single evening. And right beside it over here, I have my honey and essential oil syrup that we also drink every night. So it's all to support our immune system, keep us healthy. And there it is. So I'll just try it over here, see if I need to add any more syrup or honey. So here's the 4 teas. Look at the beautiful color. And they're so good. So good. So there it is. Here's my healthy lemon tea. Hope you guys enjoyed it, liked it. Hope it was helpful. And hope you guys are creative too, making your own ways to keep your immune system healthy. And yeah, thank you for watching.